Innovation meets versatility with the ultimate plancha by Pit Boss Griddles, the first in its class. This line of planchas perfectly blends power, portability, and precision to create a one-of-a-kind plancha that delivers a bigger, hotter, heavier, and now more convenient outdoor cooking experience unlike anything on the market today. Fitted with our all-new proprietary non-stick armored ceramic cooking surface, the ultimate plancha delivers an unrivaled user-friendly cooking experience. This Pit Boss exclusive ceramic surface comes ready to use straight out of the box and is a dream to clean, needing just a gentle wipe after use. Featuring a robust heating source ranging from 2 to 5 burners, the ultimate plancha is the perfect fit for whatever your needs may be. Completely portable, the 2, 3, and 4 burner ultimate planchas utilize our easy lift-off technology for simple transport to any campsite or outdoor gathering. The Ultimate Plancha series also features a heavy-duty lid to keep your food warm that also acts as a windshield while cooking, heavy-duty construction with black powder-coated steel, a bottle opener, and a 4.5mm plancha top heavier than the competition. Also, chrome handles and knobs, a removable grease tray, folding side shelves with built-in tool hooks, a solid bottom shelf, paper towel holder, and a trash bag holder. The 5-burner Ultimate Plancha also features 4,174 square centimeters of cooking area, making it the most powerful plancha Pit Boss has created to date. These units are aesthetically qualified to be the centerpiece of your backyard cooking arrangement, while also being flexible enough to hit the road and handle your cooking needs for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. As practical as it is inventive, this line of planchas is our most versatile product to date. The choice is simple. The Ultimate Plancha by Pit Boss Griddles is the biggest, hottest, heaviest, and most convenient plancha on the market.